Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use copper fungicide spray. First, ensure you have all your safety gear ready, including gloves, eye protection, and a mask to protect yourself during application. Next, select a copper fungicide suitable for your plants and the specific disease you are targeting. Always take a moment to thoroughly read the product label for crucial mixing instructions and application guidelines before you begin. Now, let's mix your solution. Carefully measure the copper fungicide concentrate, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water, following your product's specific instructions. Pour the measured concentrate into your sprayer, which should already contain the appropriate volume of water. Then, gently stir or shake the sprayer to ensure the fungicide is completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the water, creating a consistent solution. When applying, aim for thorough coverage. Spray all plant surfaces evenly, paying close attention to the undersides of leaves where many pathogens hide. Continue spraying until the leaves are completely wet, but stop before the solution begins to drip excessively from the foliage. For best results, apply the fungicide during calm weather, preferably in the early morning or late evening, to avoid strong winds and intense direct sunlight. After you've finished spraying, it's important to clean your equipment. Rinse your sprayer thoroughly with clean water immediately after each use to prevent clogging and residue buildup. Store any unused concentrated fungicide in its original, tightly sealed container in a cool, dry, and dark place, safely out of reach of children and pets. Finally, monitor your plants over the next few days to observe the treatment's effectiveness and plan any follow-up applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.